Hello folks, today I am in Gesäuse National Park in Austria. This area is known for its amazing mountains and rocky trails. Oh. Nice. I have never seen such clear water like this. Wow, I think in the nature. Usually it's green or totally dirty. And very cold. Very cold. I don't know where I should go. I don't think this is the right way. I will try to go there and then I will see. Ah. That's not very smart. Okay. Now I know that that's not the trail. Okay. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Ay. Anyway, I am heading to the mountain hut, Haindlkarhütte I think it's called. I'm not sure, but whew, look at this view. The start of the hike is totally incredible. From each side, from right and from the left too. Whoa. Okay, I took a break under this huge rock because that's the only place where the shadow is. The sun is very strong today. And to be honest, I don't know where I am going right now. Where the trail leads. Maybe from this side or from this side. There's a green flag. Can you see that? There. I'd like to know how these rocks got here. Look at that. That's giant. And there are so many of them here. The trail is very well marked. Almost each 10 meters. Another sign here. There is a green flag that I was talking about, and there is a sign. I think during the very bad weather this area can be very wild. There is a canyon. I'm going there. I want to see what is there. I suppose to. This is the place where the water runs down from the mountain. Okay, I need to go back on the trail from here because there are two trails here, one from this side and one from this side. Both of them go to the same place, so I will take the higher path. I think it's better. I need a break. Woo! Here I will sit on this spot, or I'm going a little bit upper. There's not a place where I wanted to be, but I'm going there. I will take a break there. I realized again that I am on the wrong path, because there is nothing. There is only huge rock, and that's all. So now I have to go. I don't know how it looks on the video, but it's pretty steep, and I will go along this side of this hill because it looks more practical, maybe. So I took a break and I am going there. But I would say I am just one person who has the most incredible view of this valley. I don't know if this is the right word, but this view is incredible. And I am here alone. It's time to go back down, so wish me luck. Oh. It's not so bad. Such amazing place. It looks possible to go this way. Pretty rocky terrain. That looks better, this part. Okay, now I will jump here. I have it. I am here, but I have to find a trail. Maybe I should go there, because I think there is a path, but that means that I have to go back along this rock. Oh, so I will try it. What is that? I really hope that the trail is there, because there's the grass there. Oh, it's such a nice place. I'd like to take a chair, put it here and watch this amazing view. I don't know, what is that? There's not a path. Hey, look at this tree. You can see that it doesn't hold here. Whoa! It looks safer. Yep. Woo. There's not definitely trail. I can see that down there. It looks dangerous. Really nice place. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I am again on the right trail. There is a path. My shoes are full of stones. I looked at the map and I found out that the restaurant down there is the mountain hut where I wanted to go. I was talking about that earlier, and this place is summit of this trail. And now I have two options. The first is that I will go along this path back to the parking lot, and the second is that I will go along this path and I should get to the road, and the road leads around this mountain. So I think I will take this way, because I don't want to take this way. Let's go. So wish me luck. I don't know if it is better to use the chain or this steel rope. Maybe it's not needed, it's not so steep. This part was a little steeper, so the steel rope, or I don't know how it is in English, was very useful for this part. The news is that the path is very well marked. Some kind of art. Anyway, this hike is definitely worth it. If you are in this area, go here. One benefit is that there is a restaurant near the summit of this trail, so you can take a break there, for instance, or take a turn and go down from there to the parking lot. I have to go there. But there is a sign here too. Under the rocks. I already wanted to go this way, but I found out that there is a sign almost invisible. The weather is so nice today, cloudy, a little bit windy, the best weather for hiking, and I am almost on the road. Oh, vegetation, so good to see you again. Okay, I think I'm on the start of this hike from this side of the mountain, because there is a sign here and that's the mountain hut, and the journey takes 2 hours from here.